In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove your Gmail account from another device. If you've ever wondered how to manage where your Gmail account is accessed from, you're in the right place. Let's walk through this process step by step, ensuring your information remains secure and only accessible on devices you trust. First, you'll want to start by opening your preferred browser on your computer and heading over to Gmail. Simply enter mail.google.com in the address bar, and you'll be directed to your inbox. Now, once you're logged into Gmail and can see your inbox, shift your attention to the top right corner of the page. Here's where you find the icon that represents your account profile. It could be a photo if you've set one, or an initial if you haven't. Click on this profile icon to open a drop-down menu. From this menu, select the option that says Manage your Google account. This is your central hub for all things related to your Google services. Once you're on the Google account page, you'll see a series of tabs on the left-hand side. You'll need to click on the tab labeled Security. The Security section is significant because it contains all the details on how your account is protected and where it's currently being accessed. As you scroll down to the Your Devices section, you'll notice an option that reads Manage all devices. This feature provides a comprehensive list of all the devices where your Google account is logged in. Go ahead and click on Manage all devices to reveal this list. From here, navigate through the list of devices. These are sorted to show the most recently used ones at the top. Once you find the device you want to remove, click on it to access more details about the last activity on that device. After selecting the device in question, you'll see the option to Sign out. By clicking Sign out, you instruct Google to remove your account from the selected device, effectively logging it out. It's as simple as that. Taking these actions helps ensure that your Gmail account remains secure and that only devices you trust can access your information. It's a crucial step, especially if you suspect unwanted access or simply want to declutter the list of devices that access your account. Thanks for following along, and now you know how to confidently manage your Gmail account across different devices. Stay safe and see you next time.